आज हम solve करेंगे LeetCode 217 which is contains duplicate. Problem statement is given an integer array nums return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. So we have a sample array nums 1, 2, 3 and 1. Here we can see number 1 is appearing twice, so it should return true. If we had sample array 1, 2, 3 and 4, we can see all elements are distinct, so this would be false. So what happens if we plan to go through brute force solution? What we'll do, we will iterate through each element in the array, and then we will look if that element appears more than once. So how it would be, how the brute force solution would look like: we will check at 1, we will check for 1 and see if it exists anywhere in the array. Then we'll check for 2, if it see if it exists anywhere in the array. Then we'll check for 3, see if it exists anywhere in the array. Same for 4. And if it does, then it's good, we return true, otherwise false. uh, the better solution to it, because this solution will take a time complexity of big O of n square, because we'll be running two loops, one to iterate through all elements, other inside a loop to go through other elements to check if the same number appears twice or not, same appears more than twice or not. The better solution to it would be, if the problem constraint said that the element is in a small like value, like small, it's not, the numbers are not that big. If let's say our problem statement said the nums I range is between, let's say, 10,000 or one, like let's say 100,000, in between 0, then what we could have done, we could have just allocated a constant space of size 100,000 or 10,000, whatever the biggest element is, and then we could have set that element true. If let's say we had found 4, we could have set 4 as true, and then next time while checking the elements, if that same element is already set to true, we could have written true, otherwise at then we would return false. The issue with this is we have a constant space, right? We have a constant space, but not every time the range of values is going to be this low. There can be a time, when the range can be very big. For example, in our problem constraint, it says nums I can be between minus 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the power 9. So this is a very big like this very big range of values. So this solution would not be an optimal one. What we can do to reduce this to reduce time complexity from on square, and to not have such a big value of constant to use, so what we can do is we can use HashSet. We can use HashSet. Why HashSet? HashSet can only keep unique values. Okay, so if let's say we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, we'll try to insert 1, then we'll know, okay, we cannot have 1 here, because HashSet can only have unique values. It will fail while inserting that, and if it doesn't, then we'll just store it, right? Better solution. The issue with this would be that we cannot, you know, we will have extra space of on. Our space and time complexity both will range at on. So let's go with this solution and see how it performs on LeetCode. Okay. Set of integer st equal to new HashSet, and for int I in nums, if st dot contains I, return minus t dot. If it doesn't, then just add the number. If and with the print, if it still reached the point when it didn't return true, then it means we did not had any we had all the unique elements in the array. So let's see how it is, how it will do. Submit. Now let's submit and see. Yeah, got submitted. That's it, right? Easy solution.